Now the next formula is d by dx of u into v, product of two function. We can assuming it any one of the first and any one is the second function. We can assume here u is a first function, v is a second function. So the product tool of the derivative is first d by dx of second. First is u, second is v. So u d by dx v plus v d by dx of u. That is a formula of differentiation of product tool. So we have using that formula, we want to find out the derivative of root x into cot x. How can we differentiate it? So root x is called the first function, cot x is called the second function. Now by using the formula product tool, first root x d by dx cot x plus cot x same d by dx of root x. Important thing is that root x is out from the derivative. We can write as it is term up to the answer. Root x is no change. But the d by ds of cot x, we know that the derivative value of cot x is minus cosec square x, we can write here. Okay, and that d by ds is not to be implement here because we can differentiate of the cot x. Directly value is minus cosec square x plus cot x no change, d by ds root x can write as x to the power half, and after it we can using the formula x to the power n is n x to the power n minus 1, so we get the differentiation 1 upon 2 root x. We can explain previous, so we can write directly here the derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. So the final answer is minus root x cosec square x multiply the product sign plus cot x 1 by 2 root x. Now the second example, d by dx of x to the power e to the power x and sin x. Here we have three function of the product rule. We don't know the product rule of three function. We can use as two function. So we can assuming here x to the power e and e to the power x is the first function and sin x is the second function. Now by using the product tool, that is called the u, that is called the v. So by using the product tool, first u is that d by dx of v is sin x plus v sin x is same d by dx of u is that x to the power e and e to the power x. Now the next step, that term is same x to the power e to the power x, d by dx of sin x is what, cos x plus sin x is same. Now here we can use again the product tool. That is called the first, that is called the second. Either it will be a first, either it will be a second. So after it we are using the product tool, we can implement again the product tool in that two term. So we have plus sign same, sin x same, first x to the power e d by dx second e to the power x plus second e to the power x same d by dx first is x to the power e. Now the next step, that term are differentiable, so we can write same as it is plus sin x same bracket x to the power e d by dx e to the power x e to the power x by using the formula plus that to be not differentiable because out of d by dx term, so that same as it is e to the power x plus we are using the differential value of x to the power e by using the formula x to the power n, so n x to the power n minus 1. Here n is e, so their derivative value is e x to the power e minus 1. That is the final answer. Now the next example is y is equals to log x base e cos x minus 7 p to the power x. Find the d by dx. Now differentiate with respect to both sides. So derivative of y is dy by dx. Okay. Now the dy by dx of that whole term. Whole term is log x cos x minus 7 p to the power x. Now insert the d by dx term in d by dx letter in both these terms. So d by dx of log x into cos x minus sign same d by dx of 7 p to the power x. First we use here the formula d by dx u plus v, either u minus v. Now differentiation of log x into cos x by using the product tool of that term. So that is first, that is second. So d by dx of log x into cos x is first log x d by dx second cos x plus cos x d by dx of log x minus d by dx 7 p to the power x, no change. Now the next step is d by dx log x same, d by dx of cos x is minus sin x plus cos x out of derivative same, d by dx of log x is what, minus d by dx of log x is 1 upon x minus 7 is a constant out from their derivative value, and d by dx of p to the power x is p to the power x log p base e. So arrange these terms, final answer is minus log x sin x plus cos x whole by x minus 7 p to the power x log p base e. That is the final answer. Now the last formula is d by dx of u upon v. That is a division rule. Either we call that y is equals to u by v. So their d by dx is denominator into d by dx of numerator minus numerator u d by dx of denominator whole upon denominator whole square. That is a division formula. Now we have example y is equals to sin x upon 5t power x. Find the value of dy ds. Here the term u is sin x and the term v is 5p power x. Now differentiate them. Dy ds equals to 5 sin x upon 5x, 5p power x, that is u, that is v. Using the formula, denominator 5p power x, dy ds u sin x minus u sin x, dy ds v is 5x, whole upon 5x का whole square. Now the next term 5p power x same, dy ds sin x is cos x, minus sin same, sin x same, dy ds 5p power x is 5p power x log 5 base c, and we can solve that term 5p power 2x, that is our answer.